What's going on, people? Just before the video start, I will warn you that the camera is kind of like crooked because the basement is like not level. So normally when I do my videos, I'll like have the camera set like a certain angle to make it look honestly perfectly straight. This time around, I just did not. Like I wasn't even thinking about it. I was just trying to put the screen on the bike. So excuse that. So if you see that the video is kind of crooked, that's why. Normally I will adjust it, but I just forgot about it. So I know it's something I usually do before I start shooting a video to make it look as level as possible and stuff. So that's why the video is crooked, but on to the video right now. What's going on, people? Your boy, Everything Tay, known as Captain Bowflex, back with you with another video for the Bowflex Velocore bike. Yes, it's been over a month. I apologize. I have not been able to just upload this videos. I've been very busy with a lot of other stuff, and I know editing do take a lot of time. So by that being said, there's a lot of comments I do have to answer. Hopefully some of the comments that people did leave, if you watched like all the videos I've done on the bike itself, a lot of those questions you asked actually are answered in those videos. But anyway, I'm still going to answer them. But yes, what I have right here is this package sent to me from Bowflex a few weeks ago as a replacement for this bike right here. So I'm going to make the video public as of today. The issue I've been having with the Velcore bike, and it's just only happens when you sync up a Bluetooth device to the bike. Meaning as you sync up a phone to it, it's going to make a weird little kind of like staticky noise when you're playing music, and then you can hear it louder when you're not playing anything at all. But when you're playing music, you can hear it, but not as much. So this is the screen, a 22-inch replacement screen. I haven't opened it yet because, like I said, I've been very busy. So we're going to see what actually is in this bike. Not the bike, the box right now. Today is November 6th. And as you just saw, I did do a live video for my 1,000 subscriptions from YouTube, and I want to thank you all for that. So let's check this out. I got to contact Bowflex too because they probably also even want me to send back this right here. Now the thing is that I hate putting shit together. I really do. Because when it's put together right, you don't want to do anything else with it. You want to just be left alone, like shoot. And that's it. I don't know why I'm messing around with this. Does leaving around. Alright, so I'm imagining gotta take this part off of here, and we got to just disconnect some of the cables back here. Like the little cables that you have hiding that is tucked underneath this part right here. So if you put together the bike already, you should know what I'm talking about. So by that being said, and let's see, this one's going through. Okay, cool, sweet. So now it's just unmounting the screen from the freaking bike, which, my goodness, I really don't want to freaking do. So I take this little pad off right here. That was simple and easy. And then I just unscrew it with, it's a screwdriver bolt, a Phillips. Well, alrighty then. So one thing that I did order, and I'm going to do a review on it when it comes out, is on Bowflex.com. They might like listen to me too, because I complained like the first week I got the bike, that goddamn seat. Now, as you see, I'm gonna move this camera. I have a cushion I bought from discomfort that's for the seat right here. Obviously, this is the original seat right here. This seat hurts. This is not a good seat at all. This right here hurts my bottom. So I had to get me a cushion, or I was gonna have to like return this bike though, like definitely, like hands down. So now, X. On Bowflex's website, you have an actual seat you can buy. That's an accessory. Now, let me lift that camera up real quick. So, with the accessory seat, I think it's like $29 for the bike. I ordered it, and I wanted to actually wait to do like a 2-in-1 video, but I'll just wait to do a video when it comes in. And that seat, let's see, where is the seat at? Is it the second on this page? Huh. Okay, here we go. So it's $30, $29.99 plus tax. It's the extra comfort bike seat. So as you see right here, extra comfort bike seat you can get for the C9 bike, I want to say what it's called, or the velcore bike right here. Yeah, no, I'm sorry about that. The C6. I don't know why I keep saying C9. The C6 bike. So yes. Now, when I ordered that over a week ago, I thought it was gonna be something quick, easy to ship out to me. It said 6 weeks. 6 weeks for a seat. Psh, it's crazy. But hey, you know, I guess a lot of people are buying the seat as a replacement for the velcore bike or the C6 bike. So yeah. So right now we're about like 88%. It's gonna keep going. So I'm gonna get back to speeding up the video right now. Alright, so the screen's hooked up, and let's see if that Bluetooth noise happens again when I link up my phone to it. So we're gonna go to Bluetooth. Alright. So it is connected. And let's see what happens.
For this, we thank you. We're taking extra precautions to safely welcome you back into our dining.
So I don't hear any of that static noise at all. Nor did I hear any static noise right when I connected up my phone to, like I did. So I'm gonna put the other video, it's about 20 seconds long, in the description as a link to it. Click on that so you'll see what I'm talking about. And if you have that issue with your bike, let them know so they'll send you a replacement screen. And it's going to happen like as soon as you like do it. That's what it did for me. And I think 1 or 2 other people in the comment descriptions from my other videos when they said that they're having that same issue too. So, but right now, I'm not hearing nothing. I would hear it right now. So it looks like this is a better screen, better I guess wiring in the screen is better. So no more static noise. So I can happily connect my Bluetooth device to my velcore bike with no static noise. So that's it. So once I get my seat in, my upgrade barbell to the barbell curl, and then I'm gonna do a little review on the Revolution, the best, most, in my opinion, amazingness, which is not a word, machine to use as a home gym to work out in. So yes, it's such a beauty. It's such a beauty right there. Y'all seen it already too also. So anyway, stay tuned. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Hopefully this video wasn't too long. And yes, it has some sped up times in it though. But anyway, till next time, Captain Bowflex is out. Peace.